Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be taking a look at this Parkside electric tacker and nailer. I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and reviewing of this product which I recently bought from Lidl supermarket here in the UK for £9.99. Okay, so here it is, the Parkside electric tacker and nailer. This is model PHET15C2. I bought this recently from Lidl for £9.99, so for under £10 you've got yourself an electric stapler and nailer, and it also comes with staples and brads. It says on the box, uses, household, decorating or craft projects. The power cable length is 3 meters, so you get a nice long cable. Comes with a 3-year warranty as well. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Right, so in the box you get the nailer itself, with a nice long 3-meter cable. You get the instruction manual, and you actually get a little box here of staples, 400 staples, 10mm, and you get 100 brad nails, 14mm. So it even comes with staples and nails to get you started. I also bought an additional pack because this pack was only £1.99 in Lidl, and that is for 1,500 pieces. This is brad nails. You can also buy staples there too, between 14 and 15mm. So I've got myself 1,500 brad nails there for £1.99. Super bargain in my opinion. So let's take a look at the staple gun. So first impressions, I like the look of it. I like the green. It's nice and comfortable. It's got that rubberized handle on the top there. There is a lock button in here for safety as well, so you can flick that back and forth. So for the safety trigger, there's a little symbol there with a locked padlock. If you push that down, then the trigger is now locked in place. And then on the other side, it shows an open padlock. So if you push it down on that side, the trigger will now unlock. And it's got a trigger on the front here, so it won't take off. It won't fire a brad or a staple until that is pushed down. So there's a couple of safety features on it, which is good. It tells you on the side here the types. So it says type 53 6 to 14mm staples, type 47 14 to 15mm brad nails. Not a lot to say about the gun itself. Feels quite lightweight and comfortable, and then it's got this part at the bottom here that slides out, and then you can add your nails or your staples. So the gun has this nice long 3-meter cable, so you don't feel tethered too much to what you're working on, and it's got this nice piece here that will prevent the cable sort of being too close to you and kinking, that sort of thing. So another cool feature that this staple gun has, I've got some brads in here at the moment, but whether you're using brads or staples, there's a little window here and you can see if you're running out, and you can see I've got plenty of brads in the machine there. So now let's load this up with some staples and then some brads, and we'll test it out on some softwoods and some hardwoods. So now to add the provided staples, you can just pull this out and then add the staples like so. Push that back in place until it locks, and you're good to go. Right, so now for the testing, I'm going to test it with the provided staples. This is a piece of scrap pine that I've got clamped up in the vise. So let's push it down nice and firm. I'll just do a few of these all sinking in nicely, no problems there. Perfect. So now I have a little block of mahogany hardwood clamped up in the vise. Let's see how it does with that. No problem at all, it's sinking it all the way in easily. I'm probably putting a bit too much pressure on. Really nice. Flush with the surface. So now to add the provided brad nails, just squeeze this and it pulls out. There's a little symbol here of a nail, so we know to add it on this side, and this can be slid in with the head facing that way and the point here closest to us, and then this can be pushed together like so, and we're good to go. So here again we've got the scrap bit of pine clamped up, and I'm going to test out the brad nails. They're nice and flush. If you don't put firm pressure on, they can jut up from the surface a bit. Just got to practice with it, but you can get nice flush results after a little bit of practice. So same again now with the brad nails. I'm going to test them out on this mahogany hardwood block. And I'm surprised that I'm getting nice consistency. They're all flush with the surface with hardwood, completely flush, and there's very minimal markings left over, so that is impressive. Okay, so that is about it for the testing. Very impressed. The staples and the brads, I was able to get them nice and flush with the surface every time, comfortable to use. Just need to apply a little bit of firm pressure and a bit of practice and you can get good results with this machine. I didn't have any jams, so it did its job perfectly well. So I'm very impressed for £9.99. Okay, so that is about it for this video. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.